All right. Hi, and welcome back to our Twitch emote series. I read through some of the documentation for Hashlips, so I'm going to explain to you what the format and the rarity is. So first things first, the format. As you can see between these two, it's I1, and this would have been body one, but we renamed it to body one pound and then 10. The 10 is the rarity. And I'm going to give you an example of how the rarity works. So out of these three, the rarity for all of them is 10, 10, 1. Together, 21, right? So think of that as your bottom number. And then individually, this would be 10 out of 21, 10 out of 21, and 1 out of 21. And what that tells you is, hey, this one is going to be really rare to show up when you create your emote. So this one is more common and this one is more common. Let's say we change this one to like 5. Now we recalculate. So now it's 16 total, and 10 out of 16, 5 out of 16, and 1 out of 16. This one is rare, this one is medium rare, and this one would be average. And that's the format and the rarity system that works in Hashlips. I think there's a little more complicated way of doing it, or different way of doing it, but this is all we need to know for right now. And I'm showing you the format and the rarity so that, let's say you want something to show up a little more often, or a little less, that's how you do it. All right, so now before we finish this off, I need to go to the Hashlips site. All right, and we're going to github.com hashlips like this, put that in there. Go ahead and just download it, but we're not going to use it right now because we need to set up Node.js and Visual Studio Code. Yeah, before we can actually open it and work with it. But we're going down, and I'm going to show you the folder structure. So this is going to be the folder structure, layers, order. So the one in the top right here is going to be the one in the background, and the one here and the bottom is going to be the one in the front. So think of it, it's going backwards. But that's how you're going to structure your folders. One thing is, like, your folders have to have names like this so that we can call them when we put those folders in the program. All right, so I'm stopping now. I'm gonna put everything together, and then I'll give you another little example real quick about how the folder structure is. All right, so Inkscape, we've already reformatted our layers and put them into the appropriate folders like this. And then I added another folder and put all those folders in this. This is so that we can go from we can take the layers here and put it into the folder structure of the Hashlips program. And it'll replace their layers, and that way it's just drag and drop, so it's easy for us. I've gone ahead and done this for not Pixel Edit, but GIMP. Oh, one thing I didn't forgot to mention is, like, these ones didn't have like any name when you exported them. Same thing with Pixel Edit, so I had to like retype everything. So it does take a little bit of time. But yeah, then put everything where it's supposed to be. Layers. If you want, I'm gonna go ahead, but you don't really have to stick to this. Stick for it. I'm gonna go ahead and rename everything, put it in the folder formatting, so you can see it, just as an example. But yeah, skip this, stay and watch. Up to you. All right, that's about it. We set up all our layers, reformatted them, did the rarity for them. One of them, I think for GIMP, I just did like all tens, and that's fine. It really depends on what you want. You can change that up, but Inkscape, Pixel Edit, all done. All right. See you in the next video. We're going to install Hashlips, and then we're going to run a quick demonstration. I should be able to do all three of these examples there, so hopefully you'll be ready to go after that. Bye.